Guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna do an organic hair mask. My hair is very frizzy. It's also got a lot of split ends. It's had a lot of damage because I've literally fried it from using like a straightener, curling iron, you name it. Also putting it up in like buns and stuff like this. It's had its time. So to prevent some of that frizz and damage until I can get a haircut, I'm going to do a natural, organic, gotta think of the word, hair mask. Right here I have coconut oil, which you're gonna need 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, and then 1 teaspoon of raw organic honey. Mix these two up, and then you also need a plastic bag. If you have a shower cap, that works too, but I'm gonna use this free plastic bag. And then use like a medium bowl or like a small type of bowl. If you guys don't want that mixture to get on your clothes or your skin, make sure you put a towel down. You want to make sure that your hair is parted down the middle so you can coat your hair evenly. I can't talk ever. Evenly. That way it's all coated and there's nothing missing out. Also, before you coat your hair with the mask, make sure it's like damp. So I'm gonna do that real quick.
6.5 hours later.
Warm it up with your hands because it's coconut oil and it can end up getting pretty hard again, and work it through your ends first and then up to your roots.
Hey there, shawty, come a little closer. I need your vibes, I know you need closure. Backstreet riding in the Range Rover. Tell me what you're thinking, tell me it's over. Yeah, keep a...
You're gonna make sure you get to the top of where your roots are because that's where a lot of that frizz is gonna come in. And we wanna try to tame that. Kind of run your fingers through your hair. Last thing we want to use is a brush on our hair because it'll break off very easily. So we just kind of want to lightly run our fingers through our hair to make sure everything is coated.
Nothing worse. I need detailed descriptions.
Okay, so I pretty much have this side done, and now I'm going to start on this side. Like I said, like with the other section, you're going to coat it from the bottom of like where your split ends are, and then work your way up.
My heart race. I'm always high around you, I can't go to your dark place. Stay in my vicinity, baby, I can't get rid of your baby, nah. Driving around the city at night, addicted to all the city life.
Okay, now that we have this section pretty well coated, we're gonna work up on the top to keep some of that frizz from coming back. And if you feel the coconut oil starting to harden, just rub your hands through it. It'll soften it up, just kind of like butter. The way if you mess with butter and you use your hand, kind of softens up. Just make sure everything is room temperature. Another thing, I did not I did not heat any of this up in the microwave. I just mixed it at room temperature. And the coconut oil was pretty well softened, so I didn't really need to wait on it very long. Okay, and don't forget to do your back. Sometimes I forget when I'm straightening my hair to do my back part, and then it's like all crazy and wavy and frizzy, and They're like, did you forget to do your back? I'm like, yes I did. But at least my front looks great because you're looking at my face and not the back of my head. Okay, so you're gonna flip your hair upside down. And then you're just gonna put your hair inside the bag. Kind of twist it at first. Sticking out. Especially if you have curly hair, you want to twist it. Okay, now that it's all in there, kind of suction the plastic bag to your hair. It's gonna look like a turban. It's so cute. The reason why we want to use a shower cap or plastic bag on your hair is to trap in the heat. That's what we're trying to do. We're trying to trap in the heat, and you can kind of feel it getting pretty warm and stuff because we've cut out a lot of that air and we're just letting normal body temperature warm up that hair mask and penetrate the new follicles and then the ends of your hair as well. So we'll let that set for 20 minutes and then I'll be back. Okay, 20 minutes is up. It's actually been longer than 20 minutes. My brother's girlfriend came over and showed me her little puppy. It's a corgi, so of course I had to stay out longer than 20 minutes, but I'm gonna hop in the shower and then show you guys what it looks like after I get out. Okay, so on this hair journey, I'm trying to get my hair to grow out again. It's taking a little bit slower to grow this time, which I don't know why, because I've literally cut out McDonald's out of my diet, like all the bad foods, and I've been taking nothing but vitamins. So I don't know what that means. But anyways, it looks healthy now since I did a hair mask. I did that organic, natural hair mask. But yeah, I have it in a braid today, and I'm gonna keep wearing it in a braid and have it down instead of like all crumpled up and out of my way, because that is just not a pretty look. Also, I've got all my split ends sticking out and all that fun stuff. So I just did a hair mask. I thought it would be simple just to braid it to the side, and it's out of my way but still cute and functional. So I'm going to take it out of its braid and show you guys what it looks like. Okay, I literally have my air conditioner on and it is hot as shit in here. Like, the air conditioner is doing nothing. I wish it would, but it's not. Okay, so less frizz than previously. Yeah, there is still some frizz and stuff, and it's kind of humid outside. So, and I'm not even outside where the wind is, but it does look shiny, like really shiny. Let's see what else. Less like frizz, I guess. So I'm trying to like condition my hair to where it's more healthy in a way. Like, it already is healthy because it's like natural hair and I don't like put any chemicals or anything. I take that back. I've used hairspray, and I've also used like heat and stuff on my hair, which is just as bad as dyeing your hair. But like I said, I want to dye my hair like a dark brown or like a chocolate brown, something different. So I'm excited for that, and I'm trying to get it to where I'm training my hair to be healthy in order to put unhealthy shit on my hair. So I don't know what to think, you know? I'm still like debating, should I dye my hair? Should I not? I still want to go do it, so I think I'm going to. Also, let me know if I should do something different with my like bangs situation or what. Because right now it's kind of driving me nuts. Like, I just cut it last month and it was like above my eyebrow, and now it's like over my eye. So yeah, my grandma would say this is not a look and you need to get that shit out of your eyes. So yeah, might get a new haircut and definitely gonna dye my hair, but I'm really happy with how it turned out. It looks a lot softer. Let me see if I can turn around. I mean, it feels a lot softer, looks a lot softer. I'm trying to think of what else. It does feel like it's weighed down a little bit more, so it's not as poofy. It's not like a greasy weighted down feeling. It's just like it's more flat. It doesn't have as much volume, and usually when I have volume it also has frizz. But I'm really happy with like the organic hair mask that I used. I will be trying out different hair masks, so let me know down below what other ideas you guys have. I've heard that you can use banana and mayo, and I just feel like that would really make my hair smell not good. My grandma used to be a hairdresser, and she would use like a mayo hair mask for her hair and other people's hair, and I guess it really worked because egg has protein and egg is in mayo, so like egg yolk and all that. So let me know if I should try mayo and banana mixed together. I might be labeled as the craziest person on the internet for doing that, but I'm sure others have tried it. That definitely sounds like something I would try when I was in middle school. But I'm on this hair journey, I'm on this health journey. Like I said, it's gonna be spiritual, it's gonna be mental and physical, just trying to better myself. Thank you guys so much for watching this week's hair mask video. I know it's not a fail, definitely. At first I was like, okay, I'm putting honey in my hair, this is gonna be a mess. But it actually turned out surprisingly really well. So if you have any more ideas, comment down below. I'm trying to get used to this. And let me know any like organic skincare ideas or anything that's like natural beauty. Let me know down below, and don't forget to subscribe and like the channel, and I will see you guys later. Bye.